No, boy, I don't got no work. Tomorrow New Year's Eve.
All right, so bring the STI out. Get pulled over with that shit.
Why?
It's so loud. It's so loud. Like, bro, I was like 15 cars behind you. Bro, I could hear you with the flame map on. I was like, bro, too much.
Oh damn, burn my clutch. Alright, bro, we're gonna have to. Hey, Cole.
Race for pinks?
How much you got on him?
Hold on. Yo, tell Anthony to come out with the STI.
Oh shit, X! Let's go, baby! Oh, it's alright. I get it. You got work tomorrow, bro. It's cool.
No, boy, I don't got no work. Tomorrow New Year's Eve.
All right, so bring the STI out.
I feel like I'm pulling up to a GTA fucking garage, you know what I mean? Am I good? Alright. Oh, look at this, bro. The dude did me dirty, son. Huh? Did I hit
Oh,
it?
yeah.
But did I hit it? Oh, look how clean this shit.
We don't gotta take your pipes out or anything. Remember last time we took the air box?
Oh, yeah, because this shit just...
We gotta take that off there.
But everything looks...
Wait, why don't you take the brakes out already yet?
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you need to, because it's like right over here. Oh my god, that bitch is hot.
To get to like the
Steamy, bro.
Oh, even that's hot. Like,
Bro, look at these 3-inch pipes, baby. No, they're not 3-inch. I think they're 2.7. They're 2.7.
These are hot.
2.75.
2.75.
they are warm.
The 3-inch on the thick though.
Yeah. It's alright though. It made pretty good power.
What did it make?
327 to the wheel.
It's not bad.
Is there still oil in there?
No, not really.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, barely. It's bone dry though.
What you mean bone dry?
No.
Hey, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. I've been running the flame map so much. I do have extra oil in the back. I might just dump it in there. It's not as raspy anymore. It sounds nicer. What's wrong with it?
Doesn't sound, dude, that thing sounds like ass. It sounds like a fucking lawnmower. No, it sounds, dude,